Hey y'all, what's up to my MVP riders? Thank you for always watching my videos. I got a haul and I'm gonna try to make it quick. This was the $12.95 candle sale. I also used a 20% coupon, which made these candles around $10.30, under $11, $10 and some change. But you know, I had to pay for shipping, $6.99. But I did grab some candles because now is the time to kind of grab some of your stuff, because I believe on semi-annual sale the candles will only be 50% off. So getting them for the $12.95 plus the 20% coupon, can't beat it. So yeah, that's the reason why I went on and placed the order, and that's the reason why I have been ordering some of my stuff lately, because they've just been having some pretty decent deals. And I know on semi-annual sale I'm gonna grab a lot of the new stuff. So this is really like a lot of the backup candles that I want, since I can't get the new stuff. I did not use any rewards this time. So yes, I got these candles for $10.36. So yeah, I didn't use any rewards this time. I probably should have, and I probably should have got some more of that summer Melanie candle, because it's amazing. I really like it. And another candle I have really been enjoying is Rainbow Waves. Oh my goodness, I cannot get enough of Rainbow Waves. No, it's not a powerhouse, but the scent, it is so good. It's one of those fruity scents, but still kind of fresh like. I love that candle. I don't get a whole lot of that sangria note in it. I just get like a blend of fruits, because I think it's sangria, melon, and misty waters. It's good. It is so good. And I do have it in the candle form as well as the wallflowers. Amazing. I really like it, but I wish the throw of the candle was a little bit better. But I've been blending it with different candles and I like it. I really like it. And so let's get to this haul, because I bought like 6 candles. 6 candles and Rainbow Waves. I was just talking about Rainbow Waves. I forgot all about. I did place an order for the wallflowers. I end up getting 4 wallflowers. Even though I said in my last video I was gonna wait for a semi-annual sale because I know I could get this a lot cheaper, but I love this scent. This scent is so good. Like I said, the scent notes is sangria. Yes, sangria, melon, and misty waters is the scent note. And I did grab 4. I think they was having like a $3.95 sale, so I just grabbed 4 of these. So yeah, I did grab these for $3.95 each. I grabbed 4 of them, and then I grabbed 4 in the store as well. I love this scent. It is so good. And I don't know if Bath & Body Works do this in all of their stores, but this is the store scent right now, is Rainbow Waves. So anytime you walk into your store, if they do it at all of the stores, I'm not sure, but I know at all of my store except one has the Rainbow Waves going. But that is the store scent in Bath & Body Works, that Rainbow Waves. And if you enjoy the scent when you walk into the store, that's what they have going. Okay, the first candle I got is Sweet Berry Peony. Like I said, I was getting backups, so I really wanted to grab this candle. Another candle I want to grab, which I haven't seen it in the stores lately, it's been gone for a while, is Lavender Vanderveer. I only got 1, and I should have got a backup of that candle a long time ago, but I didn't. So I'm on the lookout for Lavender Vanderveer. My stores don't have it. I'm gonna try another store, but so far I have not been able to find it. So I did grab this one. So now I have 2. Then I got iced lemon pound cake. Iced lemon pound cake is the number. I think this makes like 4. I'm not sure if this candle gonna come back, but I do know I love this version because y'all do know sometimes when Bath and Body Works bring products back or candles back, they kind of tweak the scent a little bit. So because I love this year's version, I'm going to make sure I grab some of them. Because even if it do come back, it could change. The next one I got is, yes, been looking high and low. Coral Waves. This candle is so good, and I only have 2 in my collection, so I really wanted to make sure I got some more. I haven't found this in any of my stores. My stores is sold out of this, so I couldn't wait for semi-annual sale. I had to go ahead and grab it just because my store don't have it anymore. At least the stores that I go to. Maybe the store that's further out probably have this, but the ones that I go to, sold out. I didn't even look at the inside. Yes, one thing you want to make sure is look on the inside at your wicks. Even though they might be kind of off as far as the wick placement, but sometimes you might only have 2 wicks, so you want to make sure you still open them and look at that. Oh, this is so good. It smells so good. And then I did grab 2 Coral Waves. So this is the second one. Those wicks look a little bit better. This is so good. And I don't think this candle is going to come back. It would be nice if they bring it back, but I don't think it's going to come back. This is nectar, coconut, mango. So yummy. So I got 2 of those. Is it fresh water? No, fresh water. I really wanted to get this one because this is with that whole men's collection of candles. And like I always say, y'all, when these body care candles sell out, they're gonna be gone. They will be gone. So if you love this scent, I highly recommend you go ahead and grab a couple of backups, maybe 1 backup or whatever your backup number is. My backup number is 3. My hoard number is 6. So I only grabbed 1. It's coming off smelling like wax to me. So yeah, this is my first one, and it's coming off smelling a little like wax. Hopefully when I burn it, it does a whole lot better. But I could be one and done with this. Now I'm hoping during semi-annual sale I could find a butterfly candle, 3-wick candle, and fairy tale, which fairy tale is like a needle in a haystack. But I'm just saying, ain't nothing wrong with trying to, you know, have a list. That's what I'm doing. I'm having a list of hopeful, wishful items that I could come across, like gems or treasure finds, Bath and Body Works treasure finds. So the next candle is Confetti Daydream. Believe it or not, I have not burned this candle yet. I don't know why. And it smells so good, but I have not burned this candle yet. But I did grab it around, was that Candle Day when this candle came out? I did grab 2, so this will be 3, because this is another candle that might go and never come back. So I wanted to make sure I had at least my backup number, which is 3. It's not hoard worthy, at least I don't think so. But again, I need to burn this candle just in case. It might be hoard worthy, but I do have 3. So that was everything that I got on the $12.95 sale. Leave in the comments, let me know, what did you get on the $12.95 sale, or are you just sitting out and waiting patiently for semi-annual sale? I know there's a lot of new candles coming out, so I know this season I'm probably gonna spend a lot of money because a lot of those new candles I really want. So that's the reason why I'm doing all of my backup stuff now, so I don't have to worry about none of that stuff when semi-annual sale comes, so I could focus on the new stuff. Yes, there is a couple of items, my Bath and Body Works treasure wish list. Yes, there is a couple of items that I am looking for, like Whip Rose Latte, Fairy Tale candle, Hopefully I could find that lavender Vanderveer candle. Hopefully I could find more of the butterfly candle. So I do have a couple of treasure list items that I'm looking for. So I gotta get the backup stuff out the way right now so I don't have to worry about trying to run for any of those items. So yes, leave in the comments, let me know what did you buy on the $12.95 sale. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, hit the notification bell, follow me on all of my social media platforms, and use or follow my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick. And I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm so ready for this semi-annual sale, y'all. Y'all just don't know. I am so excited for this, for all of these new candles. I cannot wait. So y'all gonna be getting a lot of videos. So I'll see y'all in the next one. All right, peace.